Such a beautiful morning here in Liverpool. When we said we were passing through Liverpool, we got so many messages saying we should cover Liverpool. Hey everyone, if you're new to the channel, we share new travel videos each week. We'd love it if you can like this video, smash the subscribe button and press the bell. That will notify you when we upload new videos. Unfortunately, we do only have a few hours in Liverpool before going to our next city, but we'll try and show you as much as possible. Holiday Inn Hotel directly opposite the train station. We're starting our walk at Liverpool Lime Street Station and we'll take a walk around the city this morning and see what's happening. We're currently walking along Lime Street, but keep watching till the end because we'll show you where all the shops and bars are here in Liverpool if you're thinking of coming here yourself. And if you're interested in the Beatles, subscribe to the channel because we'll be posting a video where the famous Cavern Club is on Matthew Street. Lots and lots of history here in Liverpool. There's so many Art Deco buildings. It looks like this building used to be a cinema, but it's sadly closed down. During World War II, the German Luftwaffe caused widespread damage across the city. 681 planes dropped over 800 tons of high explosives and more than 112 firebombs on Liverpool. So you can see there's lots of newer buildings and old buildings side by side. We're coming up to the Celtic Corner here in Liverpool, but down Lime Street you've got convenience shops and vape shops. A couple of shout outs. Adela has been a channel member for 9 months, thank you for your support, as well as Queenie who's been a member for 3 months, and before I forget Ran who's been a Walk with Neve Emerald supporter for 7 months. Thank you so much guys. All our trips are self-funded. We do receive a small fee from ad revenue and memberships, but every penny gets reinvested into the channel to help us create more content and better videos for you wonderful people. We'll post a link in the comments on how you can become a member and get access to videos early, extra perks like loyalty badges, and you get to help us decide which video to put out next. So thank you to everyone who's become a member so far. To the left is the Britania Adelphi Hotel, renowned for luxury, hosting celebrities and surviving World War II bombings. I'm not sure it's quite as lavish today. Let me know in the comments if you've stayed there. I hear it's supposedly haunted with secret tunnels running underneath the hotel. As you'll see, there's lots of Irish influence in Liverpool, and that means lots of Irish bars. It's still quite early in the morning, but these bars are quite popular for live music in the evening. Liverpool Central train station and Bold Street to my left. We did post a video recently about the time slip mysteries, so if you haven't already, check that video out. Some of the stories are fascinating, and lots of international restaurants up there as well. But let's continue our walk through Liverpool city centre. The Radio City Tower, officially named St John's Beacon, used to be a luxury revolving restaurant. It's now home to a radio station and viewing observatory, which you can go up to for about £8. We're currently on Church Street. If you're looking for a city for entertainment, bars and shopping, Liverpool is going to be for you. This Primark looks huge. Everyone loves Primark. But you've got TK Maxx as well, and I can see Topman in the distance. I can see Liverpool 1 shopping centre, and this is just a small section of the high street here in Liverpool. You've got so many shopping centres you can visit. In this short walk we've passed about 4. In fact, let me know in the comments how many shopping centres we've passed. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Liverpool in the past, or if you've got recommendations for restaurants or pubs we should visit in a future video. I can see the liver birds from here. They have been affectionately named Bella and Birdie by the people of Liverpool. Legend says that if they were ever to fly away, the city would cease to exist. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and if you've enjoyed this walking tour around Liverpool's High Street, give this video a thumbs up. It really does help us out. New videos are uploaded weekly. Thanks for watching.